Hey guys, it's Reap 100 Trader here with another trading recap. And before I get into the video, there is a link in the description down below to a Discord chat room that we guys can talk to each other about order flow and trading and also how to use Polarity ATI to our advantage. But that link will be down below in the description. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I want to let you guys know that I've been taking a lot of trades lately that haven't been very good, and my performance has been very poorly, which it definitely plays a lot in my mind, given the fact that I've already was in a hole and I was almost out of the hole that I made, and then now I'm back into it even further, because I will show you guys here later in this video on my P&L on what it is for the last week of June, which is kind of unfortunate, but I know for myself that I will not give up and I won't quit, and I'm gonna refine my strategy and be better and more confident in my setups. So I'm really gonna probably trade in sim more often so I can protect my funded account, and definitely try to figure out a better setups and just looking directly for those setups. And once I see a setup like that, definitely taking it, whether win or lose, because I definitely want to be precise in the market and be very consistent. So I took a lot of trades here in one of the days in June here, and it was, I believe, June 27th, and there was just so many trades that I took within the first 15 minutes of the market, which we all know we shouldn't be taking that many trades, especially being the first 15 minutes of the market open. But unfortunately, I took it, and we can see here, if I pull the other chart, and we see that this order flow for Analytica chart 4, that basically one of the trades that I took right off the market open was here at 8:30 when I saw 1,100 buyers here in this delta, 1,100 more buyers, and this candle looked pretty promising. So basically I decided to use Polarity ATI at the time. Some buy imbalances took place and entered me right here, and I went with a 12 tick stop loss and 12 tick take profit. And because of all of this downtrend moment there, basically what I wanted to do is keep it at 12 tick stop loss and 12 tick take profit, because it looked very promising that it might have slight pullback and then go up, but instead it actually went all the way down, took me out, which looking back at it, I should have had my stop loss right here, and if I had it there, I would have gotten this profit here and it would have hit my take profit, but I would have had to increase it to more ticks, because I want to keep it 1-to-1 for risk reward ratio. And so definitely took me out and then went in my direction. And these are one of the trades that gets on my nerve, because I was right, but yet again I wasn't, because of the stop loss wasn't placed properly. So that's another thing that I'm trying to work on. So that's one of the trades that I took on June 27th, and it was pretty upsetting. And then there was plenty of other trades, as you can see with this here. I don't want to show you on the order flow or Analytica chart 4, because it's just a lot of trades that I took that were terrible. So that was just one of the trades on Analytica chart 4 that I wanted to show you guys. But then yeah, everything else went downhill from there, and I definitely learned a lot, but I'm definitely going to go back to each and every single trade that I took and better evaluate what I did wrong, and then try not to do those again. So, but here guys, on my trade tracker, we can see that I traded on the 26th and the 27th, and they were both red days, and they were both big red days. And that's because I tried to implement the new strategy that I thought was a good strategy, but I definitely got chopped out and it hit my stop loss many times over, and it brought me to a negative week of $1,555.72. So it brought me into a deeper hole than I really wanted to, and we can see that I'm down $2,592.78 on the $150,000 account. So I'm halfway there to my trailing threshold, which is 5,000. And so basically I still have the 25 or 2400 more. But I definitely want to protect my funded account as much as possible. So it's back to the drawing boards, because I definitely don't want to quit and try to have this not affect me. Because trading, you're going to have weeks where you're red, and you're going to have, weeks that you're green. So it's just, I believe what's happening is that the summer months have been getting to me. And then also a lot of FOMO and hesitation also took a huge play into all these red days here. So I need to start slowing it down and really control FOMO and hesitation. But I definitely want to let you guys know that I just definitely want to be transparent with you guys and show you that trading is hard, and trading order flow is hard. So it's just one of those things that you just have to keep refining your setups and refining your edge within the market, and then trying to back test it at least 50 to 100 trades to see that if it would actually work. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I might actually trade for sim for a while, just because I want to protect this funded account. But I want to let you guys know that. But this is it for the video on my whole journey so far from last week and this week. But go ahead and like and subscribe, and definitely I'll be posting more videos on my sim trading, but then also on definitely the strategies that I found that was more profitable than others. So stay tuned for that, guys. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Just remember, like and subscribe, and the Discord link is down below in the description. So go ahead, trade safe, guys, and thanks for watching.